Hey there, productivity seekers! Welcome back to Before Sunset AI's YouTube channel. You're in for a treat today because we're diving into a groundbreaking tool that revolutionized my entire workflow. That's right, we're talking about Before Sunset AI. It is not just a productivity tool, but it is also a game changer. Have you ever wished for a magical tool that can help you reclaim your time, work more efficiently, and finally focus on those hobbies and goals you've been neglecting? Well, hold on to your seats because Before Sunset AI has not only replaced my whole entire productivity system, but also elevated my life to a whole new level. Now, let's start with the basics. Before Sunset AI is a platform designed to assist busy professionals in planning and executing their day seamlessly with the power of AI. It doesn't just create schedules, it empowers you to take control of your whole day. But here's where it gets exciting. Before Sunset AI offers a treasure trove of features, from time tracking to note-taking, personalized to-do lists, and a calendar view that synchronize effortlessly with your Google Calendar. And that is just the beginning. With Before Sunset AI, you can set priorities, differentiate tasks with customizable tags, assign locations, and even track your mood throughout the day. We're not done yet. Before Sunset AI's team version is a game changer for team synchronization. You can see what your teammates are working on, their Spotify playlist, and how they're feeling. It is all about fostering a healthy work environment, whether you're at office or working from home. The best part, Before Sunset AI eliminates the need for juggling multiple tools and apps, streamlining your productivity and simplifying your life. It is the tool that does it all. Before Sunset AI is basically the answer to your time management dreams, allowing you to reclaim your day, focus on what truly matters, and work more efficiently. And the good news is you can start your journey to a more productive life right now. Just click the link in the video description to sign up for Before Sunset AI. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe if you haven't already and get ready to elevate your productivity to new heights. Bye everybody.